Hi everybody, it's 1:14 and 50 seconds on August 15th. This is mini number 1 for the 2 Avengers slabs, issues 5 and 6. Over here on the left hand side are the 15 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Big number 16. Whoever comes in first place is going to get the first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 available spots in the main. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here's the final one. 16, spot 4, Joe Fote comes in first. Jeff Lewis comes in second. Time is 1:15. 1:15 and 50